Hello guys, welcome to Vrimmerce. It's been long I've made a video about hot products, winning products. I've been really busy with my dropshipping store, trying to make it perfect and generate as much revenue as possible. So today I'll be talking about three winning products. Like I figured out telling guys about 10 winning products, which in most cases those winning products are not actually winners for you depending on your marketing budget or whatever factors that affects your dropshipping experience or your dropshipping process. So these products are three winning product that I guarantee you that if you buy this product and resell it, you make a lot of profit of it. For example, this product called car relay tester, you make $18 profit margin per every sale. You just need ten sales to make $180, and you need 100 sales to make $1,800. So like the profit margin is mind blowing, it's very cool, and product solves a problem. If you're watching my videos in the past, you know that videos that I make are basically problem that are solving problem, because the only way to make money in this life is by creating a problem and bringing the solution, or finding a problem or an existing problem and bringing a solution for it and make money by selling the solution. That's the only way. So in dropshipping, you need to sell a solution to a problem, not a solution to someone wants. As you want this product, the tester this product automatically detects the pin position, the release time of the action, and the consistency of the relay in each test phase. If the tester light helps up the green LED light, the relay is normal. If the red light is on, the relay is abnormal. Another thing is that this is under the car industry, which makes it mind blowing and really cool. At the moment, I'm really limited, but I'm just trying to explain to you guys. This product helps is under the car industry, solves a lot of problem, can be used. So like even if you run the ads, whether Google or Facebook are targeting car owners, you make a lot of sales, because basically car owners have, they're like kind of like almost medium tickets, not high tickets clients, but medium ticket clients that you can make profit off. You can buy this product for $11, 37 cents on AliExpress, and you can sell it for $29 or even $30 or even higher, between 30 to $35, and make more than 18 to $20 profit margin of this product. And if you run your ads very well, you can use Facebook ad library to be able to look at dropshipper that are already selling this product, and start reselling to your store, copy what they're doing, copy their video. You're like, this is a free word you can copy. Nobody's going to do anything shit. As far as you're making profit, you don't give, nobody cares. And that's it for this product. This product is a winner product. Test it out and tell me in the comments how this product perform on your dropship store. Next product for today The next product for today is stainless hamburger press burger part maker. So this product also has a profit margin of $15. This product is under the kitchen industry. It solves the problem, or the problem is only in demand when during seasonal holidays, when people are basically cooking, or you can sell this product to restaurants, because they'll be the one that mostly need this product. So we find the target audience. Stainless hamburger press burger party maker is basically for making easier to make delicious one of a kind burger for your friend and family. You can sell it to McDonald's. If they need it, you can target them. Basically any food related company will purchase this product as it's solving a problem. Maybe their tools before is not perfect, it's not working well. And when they see this ad, they'll be like, oh, I need this. And when you say buy this product, you can buy it for $10 $49. You can sell it for $25 $49, or sell it for $30 or 26 or 27, and you make 15 to $18 profit margin off this product, which is why this product is mind blowing. In my future videos, I'll be going in depth of the profit, Facebook ads where you can copy, targeting, competitions, links and video you can steal. But even if you just put this name on YouTube, you will be able to find video video that you can use for your ad copy, your ad creatives. So that's for this video. It's really short because I know pretty sure everybody eats, so you basically know what this product does and how it's solving a problem. Although the problem is really low, but it's seasonal kind of product, but it's a winner product if you know how to market it very well. The last product for today is a product basically solving a massive need, very massive need. Basically everybody reproduces human beings, multifunction nursing pillow, and females nowadays, even in the West, let's say for example you're targeting United States, are very lazy to pack a baby like the African mothers. So they basically look for, these are something that this is a massive problem that bringing this solution will help solve their need massively, and you make a lot of profit on this product. The competition on this product is low, because basically everybody is focused on high. It's basically other dropshippers are focused on other things that they don't really need. This product comfortably breastfeed or to feed your baby with baby boost. Holding the baby well while feeding them for long hours can be exhausting. That's a problem, not only for you but for your baby as well. That's a problem. But this product provides the proper comfort and support to help mothers. Mothers is the key word you can use to target on Facebook ad or on Google ads or on behavior. breastfeed or bottle feed their babies with ease. Basically, any woman that's giving birth, 9 months, 1 year, let's say 1 to 3 years that just give birth need this product. With this ergonomic design, the baby reduce the burden on your arm and eliminate shoulder pressure with while nursing your baby. So as you can see, even right here, you find an ad copy you can use for your ad, and this product costs $33.13. As you can see, is a product that is almost reaching the $50 mark. You can sell it for $49.95 or even $50, and you can make $16.82 or $70 off it. And you even make higher if you're able to market it very well. Let's say an influencer, you put this product for $100, you make a lot of profit off it. Let's say an influencer like Kanye West, Kylie Jenner, LeBron James, you make a lot of profit off this product, but you're not an influencer, we're basically a dropshipper running ads. So product is solving a problem. You can put any price, let's say range of 49 to 50 or 55. Let's not be too greedy. And you make profit margin of $16.82 to $25 and yeah, and be very skeptical when you're trying to run ads and finding a AliExpress seller, because this kind of product can like have issue with AliExpress seller. But regardless of that, is a winner product that I recommend you guys buying and reselling your dropshipping store. Hoping you guys hit 1 million. That's it for this video. Have a wonderful day.